In this video, we'll learn how to download a Tally Prime and how to install it in your desktop or in a laptop. To download a Tally Prime, we visit a Tally website called tallysolutions.com. So this will be our website. So we have gone to tallysolutions.com. This is the official website of a Tally Solution Private Limited. In the right hand side, we have an option called download. We'll click on a download option. So you'll be getting a new web page and it will ask you to download a Tally Prime. So you can see what is a new release. It says the new release is Tally Prime release 1.1 and you can click on download. So make a note that Tally Prime will access only with Windows 7 or above that, and the system configuration should be a 64-bit OS system or operating process. So if you are using a 32-bit processor or a OS, Tally Prime will not support with this system. You have to upgrade to 64-bit operating system. And Tally will also deal with a Tally server, shopper, and even Tally Prime developer. So there are the 4 products where Tally deals with. So now the exe has got downloaded. You can see in the left hand side. So I'll just double click on our exe file to run. So it will ask me to allow to install a Tally Prime. I'll make it as yes, so that my Tally Prime software will start processing of our installation. So here we get an option whether I need to override our Tally ERP9 software into Tally Prime or do you want to install a new. So I don't want to override a Tally ERP9 software. So I'll install Tally Prime in a separate drive. So I go with install new option. So in this it says application path as C drive, program files, Tally Prime. So we suggest not to install any software in a C drive. The reason is if the system has got corrupted, your C drive will get damaged and it will be formatted. So if you are formatting your system, then your software will go vanished. So instead of that, you can change the path and you can install it. For the same, you can go with a configuration option where it is showing application path here. So you can press enter and you can browse a path in which drive you want to install a Tally Prime. You can select from this screen. So what I'll do, I'll go over this PC, I go with F drive and I'll just create a new folder here itself as Tally Prime and I'll press OK. So this Tally software will get installed in F drive instead of C drive in the folder name called Tally Prime. And we have an option called create desktop shortcut. So if it is yes, I'll get a shortcut key on my desktop. If not, I'll not get. And the name, a shortcut key name, by default it is taking as Tally Prime 2. If you want to edit into just a Tally Prime, you can edit and you can accept it. So once the editing is done, don't press enter. So if you press enter, it will be keep on asking the same features like this. So once the configuration is done here, press escape so that it go back and it shows you the proper configuration. Then you can click on install. Tally will start installing in your system. So it takes a few seconds to install. So once the installation is done, it will ask, do you want to open a Tally Prime software or start Tally Prime? If I click a button start Tally Prime, a Prime software will get open in my system. So it is opening. So once the software has got installed, it says application setup and we need to change the configurations here. We go with the configuration. Our default country for our new companies will be India. As per the geographical area, so Tally will pick a country. So it is picking India by default. So if you want to change, you can edit here. So if you want India, let it be as it is. Next, it will ask use accounting terminologies. So we have two types here. One is India or SAARC countries and international. So we are in India, so we go with India, SAARC countries. And our data path, it is taking by default C users public Tally Prime data. If you want to edit, you can edit it or we'll edit later on in the upcoming classes. So once you accept this configuration will be accepted. And if you don't have a license, this is the screen what you get. So you can continue in educational mode if you don't have a license, or if you are having a multi-user license, you can use a license from network. If you have a license in Tally ERP9 and if you want to activate it in Tally Prime, then you can go with reactivate existing license, or if you have purchased a new license at present, you can go with activate new license. So here we go with continue in educational mode. So once you press enter, it will directly go to your select company option and you can start using a Tally Prime in your system. This is how you can download and install Tally Prime software. Thank you.